Hi, my name is Anthony Mossa. I'm the executive chef at Calle Sol in Charlotte, North Carolina, part of FS Food Group. We're a Peruvian and Cuban Latin cafe, specializing in those different cuisines. I've been in the industry since I was in high school. I was a wrestler for a really long time, broke my neck, so had to pivot into something different, and restaurants was something easy to get into when you're in high school, and I never left. The biggest thing for me was just like the family atmosphere you get of working in a restaurant. It's never-ending growth. There's no ceiling really in this industry, and I like that. So Cuban cuisine, typically heavier fried. Peruvian cuisine's a lot lighter, fresher. So both kind of opposite, but play in together really well in terms of balance. So dishes today, we're gonna do our vaca frita, which is probably one of our most popular dishes. That's kind of the Cuban side of what we do. The lomo saltado, Peruvian dish that's also really popular. And then we have a couple dishes that we've made that are not classic, but a play on like twists of Peruvian and Cuban food kind of tying together. I think the plates that we use here, the patterns we use and the colors we use really fit our concepts and what we do. People comment on them all the time, wishing they had them in their kitchens at home. I think the plates that we use here at Calle are very nostalgic. People say the food here reminds them of what their grandmother made them or their mom used to cook for them. And then we're serving it on these plates that remind me of grandma. And I think it's fitting that the food that we're serving can remind them, and then we're giving them a platform to eat it on that's also remembers that kind of moment for them. And I think it's really cool. We have 24 tables in the restaurant, so getting them up and out is something that's very important in order for us to make money. So being able to turn the restaurant over and continue to use these plates all throughout the shift is important to us. We use them to mark, to share, so that way we can kind of spread them across the tables themselves. The success here at Calle has been good, good enough for us to be able to branch out and open a second location. But starting fresh and being able to order, everything new, including plateware, china, glass, all of that. Some of us were able to go to the showroom and handpick exactly what we're going to purchase from Steelite to open the restaurant is really cool. Continue to carry that nostalgic feeling on the plates that we already have here, and then maybe something different that can maybe touch someone else differently at the new location is exciting.